This episode is sponsored by Zola Bakes. Let's see who I'm gonna draw tonight. Here we go. I better hurry and draw this guy fast. There's gonna be an oncoming storm. You're probably asking why I'm on a huge rush. You know how it is in fall. These storms are unbelievably, unbreakably stupid to understand. That they just show up out of nowhere and always mess up our fun. Well, most of the time. Tonight we're going to draw Eyeclone from Yokai Watch 2. One of the main bosses for the original Yokai Watch 2 game itself. He's the one responsible for hurricanes, thunderstorms, snow apocalypse, whatever you name it. I always say, "Boo, you stink!" Whenever he's around, he's the one who keeps messing up my videos. Or was it Tengu? On second thought, maybe it was both. Yeah, that's it. Definitely it was both. Here's his ear. This is one of Eyeclone's parts. This is his... Eyeclone has eyes sticking out of his two ginormous arms. Here's his spine. One thing about these bad guys, we hardly ever get to see their toenails. I meant fingernails. Here's his giant purple eye. And here's the main part of Eyeclone, his storm. And finished. There he is. That's how you draw the out of this. That's how you draw the out of this world monster eyeclone. Can't forget about his half unshaved beard. Seriously, doesn't this guy know how to shave?